Hello, this is Mark. This is the 6th of October. Lots of things happen on this day. 1949, Tokyo Rose was sentenced to 10 years and $10,000. She was on the radio in the Pacific Ocean all the time, talking Japanese propaganda and trying to demoralize our troops during World War II. 1973, the Yom Kippur War started between Egypt and Syria, ganged up on Israel, and those things happened. And sometime later, the Anwar Sadat and Menachem Begin signed a peace treaty with the assistance of President Carter, and that's why Egypt and Israel has been at peace since. They have stayed as friends. They've still been enemies, but they haven't been fighting a war. And I think that's about it. Oh, yes, George Westinghouse. He was the creator, founder of alternating current called AC. And he is responsible for being the first employer to give his employees paid vacations. Wow. We take those for granted today, but he was the one that started that long time ago. I think that's about it for this day in history, and have a great evening, great day. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you tomorrow.